He is the void in which the universe appears to exist. I mentioned this term void previously. It tends to be talked about in Mahayana Buddhism quite a lot. Void is empty, and yet the universe exists within it. So it is void in the sense that we can't say anything about it. It's not an object that can be described, because it's what in the previous paragraph was called the unknowable. When you direct the attention back against its usual flow, then you're turning the attention from what can be known to what is doing the knowing. And what is doing the knowing is not something that can be known. That is the void. In him, even cosmic consciousness stands still like a mountain. It is absolutely imperturbable. Rama asked again, how can we realize the Lord and realize the unreality of the universe that we have come to regard as real? Vasistha answered, the Lord can be realized only if one is firmly established in the unreality of the universe, even as the blueness of the sky is unreal. Dualism presupposes unity, and non-dualism suggests dualism. Only when the creation is known to be utterly non-existent, the Lord is realized. Yeah, we need to be careful about getting into sophistry and semantics here. You know, when you start talking about unity, then you start thinking, well, unity only comes if you've got a lot of things to be unified, or in contrast to duality. The terms just, we don't really want to get into things like non-dualism or unity or duality and so on. These are philosophical concepts, and we don't want to be bandying these around. Although I just want to make a little, I suppose I feel I ought to say something about solipsism, which is a Western philosophical viewpoint that only I exist, which sometimes the language that is used here seems to be indicating solipsism. I mean, this is just one of these dead ends we can get to when we try to understand things philosophically. Solipsism does not apply, because it's as far as I know about solipsism, it's saying that only my personality exists, only I exist, and the rest of the world is an illusion, is a dream. Well, it's not that. I mean, because I don't exist either. My personality is as much an illusion as the universe. There is only being. It's not my being. It's not your being or somebody else's. There's only being. That is not solipsistic. Right, so that's it for solipsism.